want to start with the basic how I analyze a company as a consultant or as a new manager coming in. I'm going to do this series in one bite slides so that we don't take up a lot of time and we can do it step by step and put some time on each one. This is the first step of the process for me. And this comes from an owner, general manager perspective when I walk into a company. I want to hear from the upper management how they perceive the company. This starts with the organizational chart of who's in charge of what parts of it and the general overview of it. Then I'm going to go into the lines of operation. Is there a service department? Is there R&D and training? Is there inventory? Warehouse? Then the sales and admin as well. I want an overview of how all the pieces tie together and a general line of business for each division. Billing and collection is pretty much simple. We look at how they do the billing, um, what the terms are, net 30, net 60, net 90, how they handle collections. Are they doing factoring? Are there other issues with the billing and collections that can be improved? The next thing I want to look at is what drives the business and what departments are the primary focus. If it's a trade business, like an electrical or plumbing, HVAC, are you a service division or a service company that has installed a supplement service? Are you a new construction company that has service and maybe test and balance to supplement your new construction? Um, if it's a service department, are you basically a maintenance company and handles demand service? Are you a pure service company that has not expanded into the maintenance side? I want to understand what pieces are the primary focus in a company and if there are missed opportunities. Income streams tie into this as well. If you're a construction company, then income streams and cash flow becomes key. How are you flowing the money? And is your service department a missed opportunity to improve the lows and the highs and lows? Um, the next thing we have is client development. Are you working as a construction company with your primary general contractors? Do you have your customers that you've installed new equipment that you transfer into a maintenance customer? Do you have just a general service base with certain clients, property managers, etc., that you can grow? Once we kind of understand where the money's coming in, then I'm going to look at disproportional expenses and revenues. What looks odd in the ratio? Are gross profits okay, but the net profits are out of whack? Are the gross profits lower than they should be? Is inventory and parts too much of an expense? Um, where can we look to improve profits? Then the next piece I look at is what are the customers saying? Are there a lot of complaints? Or is the feedback positive? If you have unhappy customers, all the marketing and promotions does no good and we're wasting time. We've got to address what is the customer satisfaction first. Once we have that taken care of and we see, okay, we do have happy customers and we are being profitable and efficient, then the marketing and promotion highlights the areas that we either A, want to enlarge and grow, or B, we want to supplement and create. For example, if we're a construction company, a lot of times the promotions and marketing needs to be focused on the maintenance part once the new equipment is installed. What happens once the warranty is out? And can we transfer the new customer into an existing long-term customer in the service side? Like I said, this is all done from an upper management position. And I want to hear what the president and the general manager think because we're going to compare notes later in the process. Thank you.